The new 2504 release of Hyperlinks contains improvements and enhancements across the Hyperlinks portfolio. Hyperlinks LineSim now allows for improved wiring capabilities. In the past, LineSim would assign its wiring automatically, but in the latest update, you can manually change wiring segments to clean up any overlapping wire segments that would be placed automatically. This auto-wiring algorithm has also been enhanced in the export from BoardSim to LineSim. Substantial updates and improvements to the DDR5 and low-power DDR5 simulation flows have been made, including expanded speed grade support for DDR5 and low-power DDR5X. Additional improvements include a simplified user interface and enhanced reporting capability. 2504 brings major improvements to the power network dialog, making the setup of power distribution networks for designs more efficient and more reliable. Configuring power supply nets, assigning power integrity models, and previewing your design is much smoother and a more consistent process. There are also performance improvements to the decoupling wizard for AC decoupling analysis, as well as additional passive device modeling options for both DC and AC simulations. In this release, we introduce new DC drop analysis capabilities from within the power network, improving efficiency and accuracy in power integrity verification. In Hyperlink schematic analysis, a passive and connector model wizard has been introduced by mapping the appropriate schematic properties. Users will now find access to Hyperlink's advanced solvers functionality directly from within Hyperlink's BoardSim. This release also marks the reintegration of features to Hyperlink's DRC that were previously only available in classic mode. We've also improved how users review results, making the experience for the user that much more seamless. When it comes to data management, you now have the ability to name a simulation database while creating it and place it in the default simulation data folder directly. A new command has been added to Hyperlink's AMS called Import PartQuest Explore Design. There are also improvements to integration and additional modeling capabilities in the new release of Hyperlink's AMS. With new features and enhancements across the 2504 release, Hyperlinks helps you create, optimize, and verify your designs quicker than ever before.